Bulk carrier with US visa 9, wages are same as non. Perhaps in the non-US visa we could cut a little bit in the junior officers. The top officers, we really want to have the state of the art, and so we are talking about 9,400. The master, chief engineer, perhaps more 10-ish or 10.5, depends the size of the bulk carrier, and then AB Oilier 1,800. The juniors 4,300, the second officer and the third engineer, chief officer and the second engineer 7,700, perhaps a bit more than without the US visa. And so the petty officers, cook, bosun, fitter, 2,000-ish, perhaps 2,200 with US visa, because those countries would be Panama, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador ratings, and also perhaps some Peruvian ratings, and then officers from Peru, and mainly 70–80% from Panama. Very good. Bulk carrier officers. Of course, ship owners need to adjust to these new tendencies. US dollar is going to remain low at the moment, so it's a very interesting situation, and also the ASEAN travel costs are rising for the Northern Hemisphere, and why not? You must invest in the goodwill, in the intrinsic value, in the talent, in the ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, World bulk carrier trade 50% is America to Europe. Therefore, why not have these American crews that are going to go through Panama Canal as a strategic hub for the long term? Think about this option, dear ship owner, because everybody is thinking different, and the first one that really goes this way will hit twice. Thank you. Bye.